Welcome to a moment of pure calm and quiet contemplation. Today, we're exploring the delicate beauty of glass fruit. Each piece a tiny masterpiece waiting to be revealed. There's something uniquely soothing about the way light catches their polished surfaces, inviting a sense of peace. Imagine the gentle, almost silent separation as each perfect segment is formed. It's a visual symphony of precision and clarity, a quiet dance of light and form. Every cut brings a profound sense of completion, a soft, satisfying release that resonates deep within. As we watch these crystalline forms transform, take a deep breath and let your worries drift away. Let the quiet elegance wash over you, creating a space of tranquility. Which of these shimmering fruits brings you the most peace? What's your favorite glass fruit to simply admire and find your calm?